Learner usap ko di ko ganan na speaker. So ari ko diri karon because I learned a lot as I studied about our theme. I thank God for the leadership of our WEC national team for the invitation. I thank God for the Libel district for hosting this Congress. Thank you very much. First time in Ormoc City. Wala ko kaaris ang unang conference. No, I thank God for the opportunity to minister through His words. And I thank God for His provision, His protection, His presence for each one of us to attend this Congress. Specifically, grabe gid ang access ng Ginoo sa Kabakungan. Ang among lugar 86 kilometers away from Bacolod City, and it will travel up to Cebu, 1 trip a day. Disinwibing kabuok. Ang duha na una may lingkuranan. Kusiron pa, 86 kilometers, very busy schedule. 15 kami, nag-pray kami, Lord, prepare 15 seats for us. Actually, 17. Ang duha nakasakay na, one from Bacolod or from La Carlota. Nahulat kami, standing ang series liner. Siling namon, bisan, kanlauna lang, we're willing to stand. Senior citizen ha, nakabit lang. Puno kaayo. Lord, bakit tihiman asa sa kanlaon, 30 minutos kabarog. Salamat sa Ginoo pag-abot na mo sa kanlaon. Bisan sa stepboard ako sa conductor seat ako sa kabit na naka-15, nakalingkod din. Iandaman kami sa Ginoo. So nakaabot kami din happy and grabe gid usa-usa na gitubag sa Ginoo. So para sa ako, nagkamupan, you have your own story to tell regarding this district. Okay, so our theme, flourishing in spiritual fruitfulness, I really recommend the committee who did this. Siya ro nakadi nato ni malimutan mahinumduman sa atong pagpauli. Nagbarog din. Siguro kada district madalang usaay, no? Pwede? Mapili lang lang. Wala kami self-control. Wala ang self-control, no? Mapili kami sa usaabot, ipadala nila sa ato, no? Okay? Para sa ato, this thing is very relevant, practical, and timely. And my challenge for us, this entire conference or Congress, is to make this thing our goal, our prayer, our heart's desire, and our ultimate purpose. And that is to glorify God. Each one of us will be an instrument, a channel, a model of spiritual fruitfulness, overflowing from our own life to our home, to our church, to our workplace, to our community, and wherever God will lead us. I'll be sharing 3 simple topics during this conference.